To be making some crackers for my family, and I will be using my sourdough discard. And your discard is essentially your starter that you are discarding from your jar before a feeding. And I have quite a bit of it that I need to get used up, and I do enjoy baking with my discard, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna start out by melting our butter down. I will need 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I preheated my oven to 350. I have a lined sheet, cookie sheet with parchment paper, a measuring bowl, and my seasoning. Okay, so here is my discard. And I have brought it to room temperature, so it's been out for a couple of hours. I'm just gonna give this a stir, and then we are going to measure out 1 cup. Now that we have that mixed in, we're going to spread this onto our parchment lined cookie sheet and spread it out as thin and as even as possible. Okay, so those are gonna bake for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna take them out and cut them up and then put them back into the oven. But for now, I need to wash my dishes, and I always wash them outside and then pour the water on my plants. This is a no-no for your pipes, just remember that. 20 minutes and we're just gonna check these. And I do that by tapping. Okay, so they're still soft, so we're gonna do another 10 minutes. I just took these out of the oven. I ended up cooking them for 35 minutes because the center was feeling a little soft. It's always harder to get it like completely even when you're pouring and spreading it around on your cookie sheet. But yeah, my middle is always a little bit thicker, but that sounds pretty good to me. I'm just gonna let these cool down for a minute and then we'll break them apart.
Pretty good. They taste really nice with the seasoning, and they got a nice crunch to them.
So I think the overall is a thumbs up. They're a little too salty for my liking, but I don't like a lot of salt. You can keep them in an airtight container for about a week, but they never last that long in our house. They'll be gone shortly after Dad gets home. We're gonna save some so he can try them. Pretty sure he's gonna like them as well, but wanted to thank you for being here. I really appreciate you watching these videos. If you feel inclined, please subscribe and like this video. It helps me. And please leave a comment if you'd like. Thanks for being here. Bye.